Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest moments caught on driver's dashcam. Today's episode is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy encounters, so make sure to stick around till the end because you won't be disappointed. Without any further ado, let's get this episode going.
Little mouth, you won't even feel it. Ergo, most bites are fatal. Yay! More nightmare fuel for you. You're welcome. Story 35. Note to self. When I'm going to expire, I need to make sure to climb Mount Everest and become a marker by expiring in a position where my arm is pointing to the right direction. I shall be known as the human arrow marker. Story 36. Stonefish are also really hard to see. So hard to the right direction. I shall be known as the human arrow marker.
Reckless driver forgot to check his mirrors and he nearly ran the camera off the road completely. As the name suggests, the bus lane is supposed to be for buses only. Unfortunately, we have some reckless drivers who think they drive a bus instead of car.
Jesus Christ!
Camera was going to work when all of a sudden the driver in a white car passed her and realized that he's in the wrong lane. He hit his brakes, turned his blinkers on and hit her.
Don't do it! Oh! I think you just hit the side of my car. The person that was changing lanes right into me. And I honked the one on the left.
Make sure you grab your notes and write down all the mistakes you're about to see in this video. Cameron caught some rather strange moves on his dashcam by crazy drivers, red light runners, exit eyes, and a lot more bad moves. Hopefully, you won't end up like these drivers here.
What just happened there? I heard a horn. That was a cutoff. Honda. And cutoff. That's a cutoff. Jesus. Yeah. Here. Masshole! Oh boy. Don't cut me off, please. Like that. Exit regret. Use one. Go! Jesus Christ. Right blinker, left turn. No, God. There's a dive. Thank you for blocking the intersection. Really appreciate it. Thank you all. Thank you so much. God. Turn red, thank you. Yeah. Asshole. Oh, good. Left from the right turn only lane. Come on, move it, bud. Move it. Move it. Move it.
Camera got cut off by a reckless driver who forgot to look both ways before pulling out onto the road. Crashes do happen when we forgot the basics, but luckily this time around it was avoided.
HP's grip over the use of non-HP printer ink. But whatever the motivation, the entire world, which has now been waiting, as I said, for 22 days, is filled with HP branded dead printers which no longer print using anyone's ink. And it's becoming more and more glaring with each passing day, now at 22, is that incredibly, there has been very unsatisfying communication from HP about this issue. Any call to HP service replies,
It looks like one driver was thinking that laws don't apply to him and he decided to push his luck by speeding. Unfortunately for him, a cop saw how reckless he was and he pulled him over. Next time, he'll think twice for sure. With this clip we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something from all the mistakes you saw. Make sure to leave a like because that would help a lot. While you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.